Hey again, everybody. Sunday, August 18th. I'm going to take a look at the Astro Excel for next week, but I'm going to review the chart from last week. You can see here I have the price action of the ES overlaying the Astro Excel sheet, and I've got it fairly well aligned here. So you can see what I've done is taken the green line and roughly transposed it onto the price chart. So we had this upward move on the green to here. We missed the actual peak by a couple hours. And then the projection was down all the way through Tuesday. We got to the point of this low on the green line, which was this low here. We got to push up, but it never reversed down, so we inverted from this point to the low. Then we had upside pressure here to here where we missed this peak by a couple bars an hour on a 30-minute chart. Then we had the downward pressure into Thursday morning, which was right here where we got this low. So we were kind of sideways through the quiet period of trading. We had a slight downdrift that was compatible with the green line pushed down right here. Here's where we bottomed, then we traded up to here. So you can see the green line, just to look at the green line, how it matches up going through Thursday and Friday. I'm going to bring the chart down so you can see the price action. So we had the low here, we had the push up to here, then we had a little downside move to a double bottom. That was kind of these two lows right here. Then we had upward pressure into midnight Friday, which is the run right here going up, and then downside pressure. And then the green line flattened out and the market bounced back Friday afternoon to retest the high of the week. So overall, not a bad match. We had a pretty good tracking except for that little area here where we inverted on Tuesday. Now let's take a look at the coming week. Here's the week of the 18th. We're peaking out here. As you can see, we're peaking out here. This is the Sunday period from 1800 to midnight. We're peaking out here tonight, right in the middle of that period. And then we're pushing down to about 9 a.m. for the low. We've got a little upside pressure to 2, down until about 11 o'clock Monday night. Upward into Tuesday till about 5 a.m. Then we go down. We're pretty much in a downward move all the way till we bottom out here Wednesday evening at 2200. We get below the zero line, which we did not do last week. And then we're heading back up into Friday about 11 a.m. where it peaks out, and then it has a little bit of a downward bias into the end of that trading day Friday. So overall, pretty good. The blue spikes last week were pretty good. I didn't highlight them earlier in this video, but you can take a look at them as you watch it. Coming into this week, we've got this big spike low here at 1400 Monday. We've got this at 7 a.m. Tuesday. Here we're at 3 a.m. Wednesday. Thursday, we've got a spike high at 7, a low around 9, a pushback high at 1400, then 2 in the evening. Then on Friday, we've got a late spike at 1500 to the downside, right where the green line bottoms. So see what happens in the last hour of trading that day. Anyhow, there's a look back to last week to show how that performed and also the look for the week ahead.